Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to edit component. So as example, I will create rectangle and you can use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now to set into component, you can triple click, right click and then choose make component. Use default names, click create. If you want to edit these components, okay, you can see in this component tab the last component, and I will edit, like I will attach again at this point. And if you want to edit, you can double click. Now I will create rectangle in the top here and then use extrude tools. It will be automatically change the components in the drawings and also in this component tab. If you want to only edit the single component, you can right click in the component and then choose make unique. The next it will be create the new components with the names component 2. For example, I will edit again this component 2 with a circle and then use pull tools to convert into 3D. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to edit component. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.